Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So on today's video, I'm going to show you how to log in Temu application. So first of all, open the Temu application. So here, there's the option of sign in. Click on it. So you can sign in or log in to Temu with Google, Facebook, email or phone number. Here I'm selecting Google. You can choose any account. So now you have opened your Temu account and you are signed in. So this is the easiest and fastest way to log in into Temu. Thank you for watching. I hope it helps you.